Hi everyone, today we're making an easy 5-serving dinner that is healthy and affordable. Let's take a quick look. Written recipe is in the description and the first comment. I don't really like my non-stick pan go straight into the oven, but if you use an oven-safe pan like cast iron or stainless steel, you can put it directly into the oven. Next, for me, this is the best way to handle jalapeno. Cut off the stem end, then press and roll to release the seeds. When slicing, avoid touching the inside as the hot pepper oil can be irritating for some. If you don't mind a little more fat for some extra flavors, you can use bone-in skin-on chicken thigh instead. But be sure to cook the chicken a few minutes longer initially. Alright friends, I really hope that you enjoyed the video and give this recipe a try. There are a few ways that you can help me and my channel. I really appreciate you. I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.